Well, here I'm going to show you how to change this horrible sticky bit on the inside of the passenger's door handle on an X5 E70. They go like this, pretty much all of them do, and it is horrible to touch and it gets all in your hands and is minging. So I have got a new one, a cheap one off of eBay. It's exactly the same, except it hasn't got the rubbery bit, which means it won't happen again in the future. So we'll get this get this one fitted. So the first thing you need to do is get this outer leather bit off, okay, and it is just clipped in. So you just get yourself a trim tool and you tuck it inside the gaps here and wind it out, just like that. Pops there. It's giving you a bit more of a gap there. This is not easy with one hand. And you just work your way up. It's got clips about here and here, so you need to pop them off. I'll just do it quickly. So that is where it goes. So always start at the bottom here and pull all the way up, and then it pops straight off. Okay. Now in here, you've got a Torx screw there. You've got a Torx screw deep in there and a little Torx screw there. Okay, I believe that's a T20, so is that one, and that one is a T10. Yeah, there's your T10. I'm using a really awkward thing here because it's a bendy one. Don't know why I picked a bendy one, but I did. And here, change the bendy ratchet for one that's not bendy. So that's your T20 out, the first one. And of that, the second one is down in here. Fiddle around till you can feel it. So on there somewhere. Crack that off. That's it. And then we should pull this off. Now it should, put that down there out the way, it should just pull off. There it is. Manky. So there's the new one, non-manky. That goes back in there, that pushes in there, and then just refit your screws and I'll show you. So that's all the screws refitted, and then you just need to pop that back on there and give it a squeeze. And there you go, we are fitted. Back together, no sticky bits, happy days. So it is literally a 5-minute job and cost I think £7.99 for a new one of these off of eBay. So that can go just straight in the bin.